Hello, this is Eric at Print Show at Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 spaciously and comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle here, you have 2 fold-out cup holders like so, with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here. We can look at your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, which you can have displayed one after the other. You have your driver assistance features and fuel economy, and then your eco coach with a digital speedometer as well, and your comm screen. You can also customize all of that a bit more to have more of the screens that are pertinent to you. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch fees so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical media controls and then your climate controls here. Very simple, easy to use. And to the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the other end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt as well as a USB and USB-C, and this button up here opening the compartment above your glove box for more storage. Then moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt USB and USB-C with a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then you have another lockable compartment underneath there, just got to unbuckle that, for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.